Hi, I'm Michael from Kataholos and we help you to learn and to thrive. So, today's video we're looking at setting some goals. So, goal setting is nothing new, and meeting and achieving goals, I'm sure you've seen many videos on it, setting smart goals, how to really know what you want and why you want your goals, how to use emotion and power and belief. They're all great ideas. I wanted to do something slightly different, which is called a 3D model. Because it seems to me, talking to a lot of people at the moment, they're either setting goals and they're not achieving them, or they're achieving them and going, so? What do I do now? Set another goal? And the idea is, with this model, it's to try and help you not only succeed and achieve your goals, but to be fulfilled and for them to be meaningful in your life. So, there's 3 questions. Who do I want to be today? What outcomes do I want to achieve? And what can I enjoy today? And the idea is, that sets you up to be, to do, and to enjoy. So let's look at all 3 of those. The first question, who do I want to be today? Well, that's your characteristics. Do you want to be patient? Do you want to be calm? Do you want to be loving? Do you want to be excitable? And just do that. Just do it for one day. And just say, who do I want to be today? You might have a meeting and say, today I'm going to be confident and assertive. Or you might be going on holiday and say, today I'm going to be nice and relaxed. It can be different every day. So that's who you want to be. The second one, what do you want to achieve? What are your outcomes? What do you actually want to have done by the end of the day? A lot of us, we can just focus on that first one, can't we? And say, well, I've done my objectives, so what? But if it's part of how you want to be and what you want to do, they work together, then that's going to be really meaningful to you. What do you want to have done by the end of the today? And then make sure that the things you're doing are going to get you there. And then the last one, what can I enjoy today? Not what do I enjoy, just be open to it. No matter what happens, could you enjoy it? Something goes wrong, could you enjoy that? If you really think about it, are there some things that maybe you think, oh no, that's rubbish? But actually, no, I could enjoy that. I could try and enjoy that traffic jam because I can practice my patience. I can enjoy that challenge because maybe I can see it's going to help me in a way that I couldn't see before. So the idea with this is you get to be who you want to be, you get to do what you need to do, and you also get to enjoy it. And I've found for me personally, focusing a lot more on the enjoyment and focusing a lot more on who I want to be has actually helped me in what I get to do. Works really nicely together. So I hope you found that helpful. It's the 3D model for goal setting, and just do it today and just try it one day at a time for a week. Thanks for watching.